You won't believe how many new traders lose money on crypto exchanges simply because they misunderstand the platform. Bcex is powerful, but beginners often make mistakes that cost them. Let's go through how to use Bcex properly. The first mistake is ignoring account verification. Bcex requires identity verification for withdrawals and security. Beginners sometimes skip or delay this step, which can block access to funds later. Complete KYC verification early to avoid delays. Next, people jump straight into trading without understanding fees. Bcex charges trading and withdrawal fees that can add up. Beginners often ignore these, thinking all trades are free, which eats into profits. Check the fee structure and factor it into your strategy. Another common error is poor risk management. Bcex offers leverage and margin trading, which beginners sometimes use without understanding the risk. This can quickly wipe out your account. Start with small trades, avoid high leverage, and set stop-loss orders. Users also forget to secure their account properly. Bcex supports two-factor authentication 2FA, but beginners sometimes skip it. Without 2FA, your account is vulnerable to hacking. Enable it immediately for maximum security. Finally, beginners often rely solely on hype or trending coins. Bcex lists many cryptocurrencies, but not all are stable. Research each token's fundamentals before investing to avoid sudden losses. In conclusion, to use Bcex properly, complete KYC verification, understand fees, manage risk carefully, enable 2FA, and research coins before trading. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll trade more safely and effectively. Subscribe for more honest crypto reviews and tips to navigate exchanges like a pro.